Good morning and welcome to Brampton in Cumbria. We're having a short walk today, around 3.5 miles, just having a look from the town up to the Ridgewoods. It's a beautiful autumn day, so let's have a look how the trees are changing as the seasons come in. Let's go.
On the edge of the town of Brampton, the sand showcases much of the town's recent history. Most recognisable is the octagonal Howard Memorial Shelter, built in 1930 from the local sandstone and dedicated to George Howard, the 9th Earl of Carlisle, and his wife Rosalind. This sits alongside the old Carlisle to Newcastle road, built in the 18th century and more recently rerouted away from the town. The other side of the road are the Wilson homes, gifted by Isaac Wilson in the 1930s to house the aged poor and still providing affordable accommodation today. Lastly, the site of the original Brampton railway station lies on a corner of the sands, where horse-drawn dandy coaches took passengers up to the main railway line.
Ridgewood is a small but popular woodland area sitting high on a sandstone ridge between Brampton and Lanercost. Its origins are unknown, but it was later bought by the Woodland Trust in 1985 and continues to be managed by them today, with a programme of felling and replanting. Careful safety management is needed, as sitting in this prominent position, trees here are exposed to wind from storms and often topple. Tree species include a number of native broadleaf trees, including sycamore, lime, and large ancient beech and oak, and a smaller number of more recently planted conifers. Wildlife includes roe deer, foxes, owls, and squirrels.
The imposing mound of the Moat sits high above the town of Brampton, and the impressive earthworks carved out from the end of the ridge originally formed the motte of a Motte and Bailey castle. Nothing now remains of this timber structure, but the Moat later held a signalling beacon as part of a line of beacons across the Tyne Valley to the east during the Border Reaver raids. The Moat is now home to a statue of the 7th Earl of Carlisle, George Howard, which was built from sandstone and bronze in 1870 by sculptor John Foley. Below it sits the well of the castle, now with a Victorian front to collect the water.
The octagonal Moot Hall is another Brampton landmark attributed to the Howard family, built in 1817 to replace an earlier structure. The original hall, dating to the 17th century, was used as a prison by Oliver Cromwell in the English Civil War and later hosted Charles Stuart during the Jacobite uprising. Through the centuries, it has also been used as a dairy market, visitor centre and council meeting place. It retains many traditional features, including the clock, market bell and weather vane at the top, and stocks and bull ring at its base. The market tradition continues today with a weekly market and monthly farmers market in the square.
St Martin's Church was built in 1878 from local sandstone to replace an older church sitting around a mile away from the town. The site was a former hospital which had been converted to a chapel. The church was designed by Philip Webb, the father of the arts and crafts movement, with a later tower added. It's home to incredible stained glass windows designed by Edward Burne-Jones and manufactured by William Morris, which light up the church interior with a colourful glow. Today it's a member of the local Three Rivers Mission community, which takes part in a range of outreach activities in addition to traditional church services.